Hello again, 7th and 8th grade science. Like I said, throughout the week, I'm going to be reading to you your notes that you have. I broke it up into little sections, so today I'm going to do slides 6 through 12, so it'll be 7 through 12, but without further ado. So yesterday we ended off on hunting and gathering, which brings us to today, agriculture. By the end of the last ice age, which was about 11,000 years ago, humans had begun the practice of agriculture. Early humans quickly learned how plants grew and ripened. They learned which plants were suitable as foods and which plants had medicinal purposes, so they could use as medicine. Agriculture. The practice of farming, including the growing of plants and the raising of animals such as sheep, cows, and pigs, and horses. So that's the definition of agriculture. That's what it means. The development of agriculture created a steady and stable supply of food. As a result, humans began to settle in communities and towns. With the development of tools and machinery, humans began to change the landscape. Forests were cleared, and fertile prairies were converted to farmland. Eventually, chemical fertilizers and pesticides were developed to increase crop yields. That means to increase how many items in a crop they would get. So if they were farming corn, their yield of corn, the amount of corn that they were trying to grow, they would have more that would be successfully grown because of fertilizers and pesticides. The practice of irrigation allowed dry areas to become farmland. So irrigation is like watering and water systems. These advances in agriculture brought about major changes in the environment. Pesticides can harm beneficial insects, contaminate water supplies, and accumulate in the environment. So it can kill off good things, it can get in the water, which is bad for anyone, people or animals, and they can accumulate in the environment and build up and just be bad. Industrial growth and urban development. The Industrial Revolution of the 1800s added machines and factories. Machines and factories require a source of energy. We obtain most of this energy from the burning of fossil fuels such as coal and oil and natural gas. Cities and industries produce large quantities of wastes. For many years, these wastes were released into the air, water, and soil. The spread of suburban communities has consumes farmland and has led to habitat destruction. The challenge faced by humans today is how to maintain a standard of living while controlling the harmful effects of human activity on global ecosystems. That's my reading of your slides for the day. Come back tomorrow, there will be another 6. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday.